How's it going, everyone? Let's talk about Intel Corp. This stock right up in here, I think, is gearing up to make a monster move. I want to show you guys the weekly chart here. Look at all the consolidation we've had, from here to here of just straight up consolidation all throughout this area here. This is just setting up to, to make a breakout to the upside, in my opinion. And what I like about it is the government, they're looking to, buy this up, right? Because this is a good company. I truly think they're not going to let this company die out. And so we had that catalyst in there. We had this monster accumulation here on the weekly chart here. I want to hold this thing long term. I really truly think, we're going to break out of this weekly channel. We're going to go the heck up. All right. So you can see right in here, we have been into a downtrend a very long time. Easiest way to see that is the EMA 50 is at the very top. Every time we hit that EMA 50 on the weekly, we go down. Hit it on the weekly, go down. Weekly, go down. And we can finally see, like, we have a body of a candle breaking out right in here. So what I look to see is we come up, retest for new bulls to get in on that weekly EMA 50, and then we shoot up. That's what I think is going to happen on Intel. We truly have a clear break of structure here. You could clearly see that, we are breaking this higher low type of pattern here. You see higher, or, higher lows, and then we have a different structure here. So I think in the coming weeks, months, and years, this is going to start uptrending, in my honest opinion. Okay, guys, do not sleep on Intel. This is a really nice company. I like it a lot here. We have a lot of different various analysts on this thing. You look at the monthly chart. Obviously, it's in a downtrend, but we can easily get something like this for Intel, where it just keeps uptrending on the monthly chart. Obviously, we've had a miserable monthly downtrend, but don't sleep on this, guys. I think this is a really good setup here. And I'm definitely in it for the long haul. This is one of my number one valued plays, especially with the government putting money into this. I think this is going to be a nice little boost up. All right. We saw AMD, right? AMD was lagging, right? AMD was lagging, and then it had this monster move up. INTC, it's just been consolidating, guys. I mean, look at this beautiful consolidation. You know, the last company I seen that do this for a very long time consolidate, I'll give you an example, is GoDaddy. Look at GoDaddy. Look what GoDaddy did. The last time GoDaddy, was consolidating forever right up in here. You see all this consolidation here? It was due for a move up. It finally broke structure here. You can see to the upside. We finally broke structure, and what did it do? It doesn't have to be perfect. It kept going up and up and up and up for for over a year, right? For a couple of years, it kept going up. I think INTC is going to have the same pattern where we keep consolidating, but eventually we're going to break out of this. So I want to be a part of it. I think that government news is what's going to cause it. You can already see that we're above this weekly EMA 50. We're going to retest it. This is the dip I needed, and for it to come back up. So that's what I think, guys. Let me know what you think about INTC. This is the number one valued stock at a deep discount with lots of volume, lots of interest. And you can also look at the daily chart here. Everything looks beautiful. Right up in here, we have an EMA 50 switching to the upside. We have price pulling up, pulled back to this EMA 5 right up here, had a beautiful bounce, a 14% there. I think this EMA 10 is definitely going to hold, and we're going to keep on making a new high. That's what I think. I think we're going to break that 2650s and just keep going up. But yeah, we'll see. That's what the chart is saying for me. I've been doing this strategy for a lot. When I see a clear break of structure like this on a lot of different time frames, lots of consolidation, and with a catalyst to make it go up, that's a perfect recipe for a squeeze. And INTC has been needing it for quite some time. So I think we're due, guys. So that's my number one play for a bigger cap stock that's not too expensive. It's only a $20 stock, so there's plenty of money to be made if you don't have a lot of money. This is, for bigger money, obviously you're going to make a ton of money once this starts pumping. So we'll see, guys. And if you guys want to join the Discord, I'll post my real-time alerts, day trade alerts, everything. I love day trading. It's my number one strategy. But I also like to post some very high-quality swing trades like INTC. If you want to join the Discord, hit the link down below in YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to subscribe, hit how to subscribe and hit hashtag day trade alerts. When you do that, you'll have access to all my systems. You'll have access to my day trade alerts, my swing trade alerts, my live streams every day. The live streams is the most important. That's where you're going to see me go live every day, talking about what I plan to do. and it just helps because you can get in a lot faster and know what I'm looking to do. That's mainly for the day trading community, but I also post these swing trade ideas, so you can get into these and take advantage of it. I love using this system. You might look at the bands. When price gets near these lower bands, it's extremely oversold. When it gets to the upper band, it's extremely overbought, and you can see why price has to revert back to the mean, and that's what we're doing right here on intc. So hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys want to join the Discord, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. If you're on a Android, you will have to use your computer or use your phone's browser. And guys, it's only 12 bucks a month. I mean, that is insane. It's only 12 bucks a month, maybe with some fees, taxes involved. You're going to get one of the most highest win ratio strategies out there that works, that I've been doing for 6 years, and this has made me a full-time trader doing this simple strategy. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think about INTC in the YouTube comments below. Share this video out, and I'll see you in the Discord and in the live streams if you come there. Peace out.